Plant a Seed by Cynthia Platt. Rhea had some bean seeds. She wanted to plant them, water them, and watch them grow. Digging in the dirt would be fun. "Oh no," said Rhea. "There is a snail." She picked up the snail. "You can't stay here," Rhea exclaimed. "You will eat my seeds." Rhea did not want anyone to eat her seeds. Rhea was going to plant her seeds, but then she saw a beetle. "Beetles are not good to have in a garden," Rhea said. "They eat seeds and plants." Rhea was ready to plant her seeds, but... "Oh no," Rhea cried. "Where are my seeds?" Rhea's seeds were gone. "Peck, have you seen my seeds?" asked Rhea. "Did you eat my seeds, Peck?" asked Rhea. Peck spit out the seeds. "I did," Peck said. "I love to eat seeds." "But if you eat them, I can't plant them," said Rhea. "Oops, I didn't know you wanted to plant them," Peck said. "I can put them in the dirt with my beak." "Let's try that," said Rhea. "Then we wait for the seeds to grow." Rhea and Peck planted the seeds and gave them water. A few weeks later, the seeds grew into beans. "Now we can eat beans," exclaimed Rhea. "Neat," Peck said.